Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You should start by confirming your sequence matches the clip's frame rate and resolution. This avoids timing errors when you blur motion. Once done, duplicate the clip and stack the copy above the original so you can isolate the blur pass. Make sure to toggle the top clip's visibility off while you set up effects on the bottom layer. This lets you preview adjustments without confusion. These steps reduce interpolation artifacts and prepare a non-destructive workflow before applying heavy effects. Now you'll apply the blur effect to the duplicated layer and configure its behavior. You want to control both amount and direction. First, set time interpolation to optical flow on the clip or sequence to improve frame synthesis. Then add directional blur or pixel motion blur to the top clip and adjust angle to match camera or object movement. Use 0-100 range for intensity and start around 2040 for natural results. Make sure to preview at full playback speed. Scrub to check artifacts and finish by compositing the blurred duplicate over your original so the effect reads naturally. Reveal the top clip, switch its blend mode if needed, and use a mask or tracking to confine blur to moving subjects. This avoids smearing static areas. Once masked, render a short section at full resolution to inspect for ghosting or weird frames. If you see artifacts, tweak optical flow or reduce blur intensity. If problems persist, switch interpolation to frame sampling or try rendering a nested sequence to stabilize results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.